In the magical forest of Sparklewood, there lived two unlikely friends, Luna the bunny and Max the fox. Luna, with her fluffy white fur and big blue eyes, was always eager for adventure. Max, a small orange fox with a clever grin, loved solving puzzles. One day, they noticed strange sparkles disappearing from the enchanted trees. Determined to solve the mystery, they set off on a whimsical quest. Along the way, they encountered talking flowers, mischievous fairies, and a wise old owl who gave them clues. Luna's bravery and Max's quick thinking helped them overcome obstacles and follow the trail of vanishing sparkles. Finally, they discovered a group of fireflies who had borrowed the sparkles for a grand celebration. The friends helped the fireflies return the sparkles, saving the magic of Sparklewood. From that day on, Luna and Max became the forest's beloved heroes, reminding everyone that teamwork and courage can solve any mystery.